In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add time off in Homebase. Whether you're planning a vacation, attending a family event, or just need a little personal time, knowing how to request time off is essential for managing your schedule effectively. So, let's dive in and explore how you can easily navigate the Homebase platform to submit a time off request. First things first, you'll need to access the web version of Homebase. Make sure you're signed in with your credentials. Once you're on the home page, you're going to want to locate either the Requests section or the Dashboard section. These sections are generally user-friendly and are designed to help you manage your scheduling needs efficiently. If you're having trouble finding these sections, look around for menu options or icons that might guide you to the right place. Being familiar with where things are located within the platform will make this process even smoother. Now, within the Requests or Dashboard section, you'll notice an option labeled Request Time Off. This is often positioned towards the lower right corner of the dashboard. Clicking on Request Time Off will open up a new window or form where you can input your request details. It's a straightforward interface that allows you to quickly enter the necessary information. Once you have the form open, you'll need to fill in the specifics of your request. Start by selecting the dates for your time off. This is a crucial part of organizing your request, so double-check to ensure you've entered the correct days. Next, you'll input the times you'll be away. Specifying whether it's for a full day or just a few hours can help your manager understand your needs more clearly. Then, choose the category that best describes your reason for taking time off. For example, vacation, personal day, or appointment. Clarifying this can sometimes expedite the approval process as it gives context to your request. After you've filled in all the necessary details, the next step is to click on Add, which will submit your request to your manager. Once submitted, it's a waiting game. You will receive a notification once your manager has reviewed your request and made a decision. This notification will let you know whether your time off has been approved or if any changes are needed. And there you have it. That's how you request time off in Homebase. By following these clear instructions, you'll find managing your time off requests becomes a seamless part of your work routine. Make sure to plan ahead whenever possible and always keep communication lines open with your employer. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more great tips on using Homebase efficiently.